Have you ever seen this type of maths problem, that is 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8? So here first we'll see the method 1, that is incorrect method most people do. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. Divide by 8 divided by 8, which is 1. So 1 divided by 1, which is 1. So this is the wrong answer. This is wrong method of doing this expression. So let's see the correct method. So here you know the PEMDAS rule, that is order of operation PEMDAS. So first we'll do parenthesis in PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. So here more than one division is there, so go from left to right. So first we'll solve this part. So 8 divided by 8, which is 1. Divide by 8, divide by 8. Here we can write this as 1 by 8. Divide by 8. Here if in division any fraction is there, then use KCF rule. That is keep, change, flip. Means keep this fraction as it is, change this division into multiplication and flip this. So here what will come next? 1 by 8, keep this as it is, change into multiplication and flip this. 8 by 1 is there, so 1 by 8 will come. So here final answer is 1 by 8 is a 64. So 1 by 64 is the correct value for this expression.